All right, everybody show me your triangles. Wave around the different colors. All right, we're gonna start. Let's see if I can find a place to put these. I found Lucas. Hi, Lucas. For those of you in Casa 1, I'm Miss Roman. You might already know me. It's nice to get to teach you today. So today we're gonna work on the constructive triangles. You're not gonna see my face when we do this work, just so that you can see all of the triangles we're working on, okay? So I'm gonna put my camera down to my table so you can see it and you can follow along. If you have a question, you can raise your hand, wave at me, okay? We're gonna start with our white triangle. Can everybody use 2 fingers and trace the outside of your white triangle? Let's trace it a few times. Good morning, Nathaniel. We have our white triangle out on the table, and we're going to trace it with our 2 fingers, okay? This is one big triangle. Let's look at our green triangle pieces. How many triangles do we have? Alicia, how many triangles is this? Well, I can't unmute you, Alicia. Elise, how many triangles is this? How many is the green, Elise? Is it 1?
2.
It's 2. Thank you, Alicia, for helping us. Do these triangles all have the same length sides, or are they different? This one's really long. This one's really short. Can you trace it with your finger? Now let's see if these fit on top of the white triangle. We need to make sure that the dark lines touch each other. So I'm gonna put this. Does this fit on top of my triangle? Maybe if I put the corners together. Okay, I put one. Now let's put the other one. Nathaniel, is this how I should put my triangles?
Yeah, what's she asking? No.
Is this how I should put it, Nathaniel? No, the dark lines need to touch each other, right? They're best friends. They have to be next to each other. What about like this? Did I cover my whole triangle? Yeah, did I make a new triangle? I made a new triangle. Alicia, did you make a new triangle? Alicia from Casa 1?
Alicia?
Did you make a new triangle? Did you make a new triangle just like this? Whoa! You're all working so hard. Katie, did you make a new triangle?
Yes.
Yes, it's super cool, right? Now I have a question for you. Did we have another color we could use? Did we have yellow? Can you get out your yellow shapes? We need 3 of them. We need the ones with the dark color only on 2 sides. When you have it, can you wave it at the camera to show me? Whoa, Elise has it, she's ready. Katie has it. Everybody's ready. Can you trace it with your finger? Don't trace it too hard because we don't want to get a paper cut. Just really, really lightly. You can put it on the table and trace it on the table. Now I wonder how I can make these into a triangle. At least, can I make these into a big triangle, do you think? Yeah? Lucas, how can I make these into a big triangle?
I'm figuring a way.
You're figuring a way? Well, let's start by putting one yellow one on the very bottom. I think that's a good start. Now we have to get the black lines to touch each other. Lucas, are my black lines touching each other if I do this?
No.
No. What if I do this?
Maybe that's right.
Maybe that's right. Do I have space to put this one right here?
And I have.
Whoa.
I made my own. I can make it.
Okay. Alicia from Casa 2, did this make another big triangle?
Yeah.
Whoa, can you trace her on the outside with me? Let's see if it's the same size as the other ones.
Okay.
You might have to hold your papers down because right now we have 3 stacks of paper. We have 3 big triangles. What was the last color we had, Alicia?
Red.
Red. Let's look at all of our red triangles. They look like they're the same size, but this one has black all the way around it. What does that mean? If it doesn't have black, I know it touches the outside of the triangle. So I'm going to trace my triangles and see where I think they would fit. Elise, can I put my triangle with all of the black lines right here? Can the black lines touch the outside of the triangle? Let's see if this works. Now I'm going to take this one with only one black line, and I'm going to put it right here. Can I do this, Elise? Let's check our work. Nathaniel, is this okay? Is this black line touching the other black line? Does this triangle have a black line right here? No, can it touch this one? Oh no, maybe we can switch them. This is the most challenging triangle to make.
This is so messy.
This is the most challenging. We're going to put the ones that have no black in the corners. And in the very middle, we're going to put the triangle that has all black edges. Did this make a triangle? If you made this triangle, give me a thumbs up. This one's a very challenging triangle to make. Alicia from Casa 2 made this triangle. Everybody's working really hard. Now, I said in the materials that you could also bring a piece of paper and a pencil to trace the triangles. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to trace my red triangle on my piece of paper. I might not have a lot of room, but you can put it on your paper and you can trace it. And then you'll see that they're all the same size. I think this constructive triangle work is really fun because it's like a puzzle. You put all of the pieces together. Alicia from Casa 2, did we use all of the puzzle pieces that you printed out?
Yes.
We did. What about the other ones? We have some red and yellow ones left. Can we use these puzzle pieces?
Yes.
Yeah, let's use those puzzle pieces. Put your triangle layers all the way to the other side. And we're only going to use these pieces right now. I like these pieces because they make different shapes. We use a triangle to make a different shape. Can you put your red triangles in front of you and match them so that the black sides are touching? When you're all ready, look at the camera and give me a nice big thumbs up. Lucas, how are you doing?
Good. I'm playing Play-Doh.
You're having fun? Good. Alicia from Casa 1, how are you doing? Did you make this shape? Can you help me count how many sides it has, Alicia? 1. Can you say 1? Maybe we can get our friend Nathaniel to help us count. Nathaniel, can you help us count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. This has 6 sides. Wow. We use triangles that are all the same size. And now we have a big shape that has 6 different sides. That's really cool. Now we have one more shape that we can make with these, with the yellow ones. So I'm going to move my shape to the side. And I'm going to try to make a shape with the yellow ones. I have to put all of the black sides together. Well, what shape did I make here? At least what shape did I make?
Triangle.
A triangle. But guess what? I can make this shape even bigger. I can put the black lines together. Whoa, at least can you help me count how many sides this has? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. It has the same number of sides that our red shape had. I'm going to build our red shape on top. That way we can see that they're the same. Maybe you can build your red shape on top too. Whoa, they're the same shape.
This big straw.
They're the same shape. They both have 6 sides. So that's the end to our lesson today. But guess what? You can keep using these pieces. Can you explore with these pieces and see what other shapes you can make? Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, have fun.